The FHC 8-inch electric vacuum cup kit, a modern, automated gripping solution that provides precise suction with the click of a button. Step 1. Powering on the device. To begin, press the power button to enter ready mode. Once in ready mode, press the power button while applying light pressure to the suction cup against the surface. Hold for approximately 2 seconds to activate the vacuum. The device will automatically generate suction, reaching a preset maximum pressure of over 60 kilopascals. Once this pressure is achieved, the air pump will stop, and the suction cup will securely attach to the object. At this point, you can lift the object with ease. Step 2. Automatic pressure monitoring. The suction cup continuously monitors air pressure. If any slight air leakage occurs, the device will automatically re-engage the pump to maintain maximum pressure. In the event of a dead battery or battery removal, the suction cup will continue to stay securely attached. Only once the battery is recharged or inserted back in place can the suction be released. Step 3. Shutting down the device. When finished, double-click the power button to shut down. After 2 seconds, the suction cup will release its vacuum, allowing easy removal from the surface. The device then enters standby mode. For safety and energy efficiency, the device will automatically switch to sleep mode after 10 minutes of inactivity. Step 4. Battery and maintenance. When low is displayed, the battery is below 20%. Recharge promptly to ensure safe operation. For long-term maintenance, recharge the lithium battery every 3 to 6 months when not in use to prevent damage. To clean, use a cloth lightly dampened with water to wipe the pad surface. Ensure the pad is completely dry before using the device. Remember, the device itself is not washable. Important reminders. To ensure optimal performance, keep these tips in mind. Always use the device on clean, smooth, and dry surfaces free of water, oil, or debris. Maintain a clean and smooth pad surface to maximize vacuum performance. If the air pressure does not reach the designated level of 40 kilopascals within 8 seconds, the device will display ER, shut down, and enter standby mode. Check for obstructions on the suction cup and clean if necessary. The FHC 8-inch electric vacuum cup kit, maximizing glazier's efficiency one innovation at a time.